Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Carrington, Sydney. I've got a Volkswagen 1.4 litre CXCA engine, I think. It's a 1.4 litre. We're doing the major service. We're doing spark plugs, air filter, pollen filter, 2 wiper rubbers front and rear. Usually I can replace the inserts, but these ones here, they come complete with that little, they call it aero type wiper rubbers. And I'm gonna run we've replaced the brake fluid's been done already. The fuel filter is in tank, so we're gonna run a liquid moly cleaner additive into the fuel tank as part of the service. But just want to show you roughly what we found. This is the first time we serviced this car, so we don't know the history. So what we usually do is pull everything apart and have a look, inspect, and then tell the customer what we need to do. That's what we need to get replaced. But if you have a look at the pollen filter, I don't know. Look how long, look how dirty this is. That's been there for a long time, never been changed. Look at that. Look at all the dirt. See, most manufacturer will say to replace the pollen filter every second year. All right, every 30,000 or every second service. But I recommend to change the pollen filter every service, because this is what you're breathing in. Look at all that. You're breathing that in here. That's the air coming from that, comes out of there. And you're breathing that air inside to your body, so it's not really healthy. So what I usually do is change the pollen filter and put a AC bacteria clean bomb into the system to in recycle mode, and then cycle inside the car and for about 15-20 minutes, and then turn it off to run it properly. Okay, so yeah, so we do pretty much Audi, Volkswagen, all the European cars, pretty much whatever car you have we can do, including Japanese car and Korean cars. But most of our work is always on European cars at EMD Automotive. But we'll do a lot of full checkover before we do anything else anyway, so it's got to be done properly as well. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.